Hello everyone, I welcome back to my channel. This is your host Visal Ahmed, and in today's video I will show you how to exploit a non-FTP vulnerability using Metasploit. This is step-by-step guide and this is for educational purpose only. We will be using Metasploitable 2, which is a non-vulnerable machine designed for practicing ethical hacking. So first of all, we need to have some setup, and this is my setup. We will use Kali Linux as the attacker machine. Let me power on the Linux, and I have Metasploitable 2 running as we will target this machine, right? Let me power this on, and you can download both for free and run them in VirtualBox on VMware. I will provide the links to you guys so you guys can download them. Make sure that both machines are on the same network, internal network or net network, so they both can ping each other in order so they can communicate. Just to make sure that they both can communicate to each other, right? Let me show you their IP address. First of all, let's log in to the Kali machine, and we have MSF admin. Now this is the Metasploitable shell. Now let's see what IP we have. Now you guys see that in ETH1 we have inet 150.1.7.15, which is the IP address of the Metasploitable, right? So let's see the IP address of Linux in the terminal, and we will type IPA to see the IP address of our Linux machine. IPA, sorry. So in ETH1 we have 150.1.14. Metasploitable was 15 and this one we have 14. I have set this manually, and I will show I will give you a guide regarding this. Now let's move forward. We have the lab ready. Now we need to check that Metasploitable is pingable or not. Let's ping the Metasploit 150. Yes, as you guys see that this is totally pingable, and we can they both can communicate now, right? So next we will run the Nmap in order to scan the Metasploitable machine, and guess what, we will know which services are running and which ports are open. So first of all, I hope you guys know that how to run Nmap and how we can use them, right? So let's start with the Nmap help, so we can see that which commands we will use and how. You guys see that there are lots of parameters we have, so each parameter do specific things. So in order to gain something valuable, something we need, we have to pick the parameters which we need. Basically I need the version and the ports which are open, and which ports which functions or which services are they running, right? So I will use the sv parameter, the sv command, so which will give me the information about the ports and the services and the version info. So these are the things I need. So I will nmap my IP address with the following parameters sv. So let's see what the results are. We'll wait for some seconds, then we will have the result. So this is these are the results from the Nmap, which is actually a very good tool just to scan the network and get the information that we need. So these are all the open ports, and these are the services running, and these are the version of the service. So these are all we need, and this is the result. We will use this service to exploit the system, to exploit the Metasploitable, right? Now we will open the Metasploitable machine. So msf console, this is the command to open the uh, Metasploitable. It's opening. All right, let's wait for it. Now it's live. msf console. Okay, let's wait. So now it is available now. As you guys know that we are going to enumerate this service, this FTP, and this version. So we will search the exploits we have regarding this. So we will search vsftpd, right? So we have two number of exploits which we can run. So these two are the one which is available in the Metasploit. So we will use the second one. So how we can use them? We can use them by simply type the use one or use and write the name, the whole name, right? So to make it easy, we will just type the use one in order to use the second one, right? The next command that we need to use, first of all, we need to see that what are the options we have. Okay, so for the options we can use the command show options. So these are the available options we have, and there is a description given for each and every option we have. Now we will use the RHOST. So guys, why do we use RHOST in Metasploit? RHOST stands for remote host. It is the IP addresses of the target machine we want to attack. As we all know, Metasploit supports attacking multiple IPs at once, like a whole subnet, a whole network. That's why we use our hosts, not our host. We have the target host, and we will use the target host and create backdoor for ourselves, right? Why it is called a backdoor? A backdoor is hidden away into a system. It bypasses normal authentication. Now we have the command set our hosts and our target IP address, which is 150.1.7.15, right? Now we have executed. Now we will just type the run to make sure that it's good. Now this is, and we have found the shell. We are in the root. By tapping the ls command, we will see what files are there. This is the directory. We have the administration privileges, and we can do whatever we want. So that's it, guys. This is the conclusion. That's it for today's video. You learned how to scan a system with Nmap, use Metasploit to find and run an exploit, get a shell on a vulnerable system. If this was useful, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more ethical hacking content. Let me know in the comment what you want me to cover next. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.